friends! Today we are going to learn a basic algebraic skill called combining like terms. And you've actually seen this a little bit already in this chapter. So when you look at the first example, you have an x and an x and an x. They're all the same letter, so we call those like terms. So you have 1 plus 1 more plus 1 more. So this is the same as 3x. All I did was combine them using addition, and I got 3x. It gets a little more complicated with this example because you don't have everything looking exactly the same. So what you're going to do is you're going to go through and look for like terms. I like to start with my letters first. So this is a y. I need to go through and find anything else that has a y. Oh, this does. If you notice, I circled the symbol in front of it because it lets me know I'm supposed to add those. So I have 1y plus 2y's. How many y's is that? 3y's. I just combined like terms. Those guys both have y's, so they're like each other. Now, this 5 doesn't have a letter. Look for something else without a letter. This plus 2. So I'm going to take my 5 and I'm going to add 2 to it. 5 plus 2 is 7. It's a positive 7, so it's a plus 7. So when I combine my like terms, I ended up with 3 y's, combining the y's, and 7 regular old numbers, plus 7. All right, so this one right here, they threw in decimals, but we can do it. The very first thing I see has an N. Go through and look for something else with an N. This has an N. 4.2n minus 3.2n. Use your brain or your calculator, but 4.2 take away 3.2 is going to leave me with 1n. So you can write the 1 in front of it, or you can just write it as a plain old n. Either way is fine. The only other thing I have left is a plus 5. Is there anything I can combine with the plus 5? Nope. So we're just going to tack it on at the end. I have 1n plus 5, which is just a regular number. These guys are not like terms because they don't match. They don't have the same letter. Last one. My first thing is a 2k. Go through and look for something else with a k. I have 2k's plus 3k's. How many k's is that? 5k's. Let's go to the next term that hasn't been circled. I had 5 plus 6. Those are my regular old numbers. Those are like terms because they're matching, no letters. 5 plus 6 is 11. So I have 5k's and 11, which is a regular number. And that is how you identify like terms and simplify algebraic expressions by combining like terms.